Hey guys, David Laneef here, Director at the California Center for Digital Arts, and I'm excited to talk to you about a workshop that is coming here in just a couple of weeks. August 26th, 27th, and 28th, we have Tanya Long and Richard Studevant doing a Day of the Dead workshop called From Concept to Creation. Also, we have Aileen Treadwell here, who is the owner of Baby Dream Backdrops, the sponsor for this event. So Aileen, let's hear from you first. We'll go to Tanya, if that's okay, and then to you, Richard.
Sounds good.
Awesome. We are just super excited to sponsor this event for Smoke because I've been to one of them, and truly these teachers really bring something to the table that you can't get anywhere else. Like, you will actually laugh and cry at the same time because it's so fun, but you can't believe what you are creating. I'm so excited, and we're sponsoring this and we're behind them 100%. We're giving a backdrop away to someone. You can walk away with a backdrop designed by Richard and Tanya. It'll first be seen at the workshop. It's going to be incredible. We'll walk away with it for $149. But we're just so honored, and I just can't wait for all of you guys to see what's going to happen.
Wait a minute, let me back you up. Did you say they can walk away with this backdrop for $149?
Maybe.
It's a custom one-off pick. Okay, that's incredible. Okay, good, I'm in. Tanya.
Okay, I'm Tanya. At Concept to Creation, we are going to give you the tools necessary to take your creativity to a whole new level and be able to bring in a whole new source of income to your studio. We're going to start off by teaching you how to make headpieces kind of like this, costuming, props, and even Day of the Dead makeup. Everything that you need to kind of put together the outfit and the props, for your creation. We're going to bring it in the studio, and I'm going to show you how to light it properly to give you dynamic images so that you can take that and add other elements to it to create a masterpiece. And from that point, we will turn it over to Richard, and he will tell you what else we're going to do with it.
That sounds amazing. Richard.
Hey, David, how you doing? And
I'm good.
Thank you for having us out. I mean, we're really excited to come back out to California. We love it out there, and your school's got a great reputation, and we're excited to be teaching there. And thank you, Aileen, for Baby Dream Backdrop sponsoring. And, you were down in San Diego, and you were part of the mermaid shoot. You were so much fun, and those images turned out great. We're excited because we're going to be able to show you photography, shooting in camera to get the best possible image. We're going to be doing compositing. It's not going to be a full-blown composite class. We'll actually try to get it right in the camera against the backdrops that we're using, but we'll be bringing in three-dimensional assets to basically enhance the whole concept of the composite that we're going to be doing that we shoot. So we're going to show you how to do that. Plus, we're also going to do a movie poster of everybody that's in there that participates. And so that will be created, and you'll get a copy of that as well. And down in the list below on this post that you can see all the different things that we're going to be offering, that the value that you get. We got about $2,700 worth of free stuff, pre-training videos, how to, and you'll see a whole list there, plus some personal training. So it's going to be very exciting. I can't wait to get there. And I know Tanya's excited, Aileen's excited, and I know you're excited. You call me every day almost. And
yes, I do. I'm so excited and honored to actually have you guys here in the center. So jump on this. Seats are limited. This is a very small, intimate boutique workshop, and we look forward to seeing you guys soon.
well, thank you, David.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, see y'all later.